Learn with Zara, an educational channel. Hey kids and parents, we're excited to explore, learn and get creative together. With fun projects and easy activities, we'll make learning a blast. Let's start this adventure. Lime, lime. These are lime. Pepper, pepper. These are pepper. Butter, butter. This is butter. Honey, honey. This is honey. Olive oil, olive oil. This is olive oil. Salt, salt. This is salt. Sugar, sugar. This is sugar. Garlic, garlic. This is garlic. Onion, onion. This is onion. Cinnamon, cinnamon. This is cinnamon. Paprika, paprika. This is paprika. Chili powder, chili powder. This is chili powder. Mustard, mustard. This is mustard. Vinegar, vinegar. This is vinegar. Lemon, lemon. This is lemon. Soya sauce, soya sauce. This is soya sauce. Hot sauce, hot sauce. This is hot sauce. Ketchup, ketchup. This is ketchup. Mayo, mayo. This is mayo. Mint, mint. This is mint. Thanks for watching this video of Learn with Zara. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe for more. See you next time. Bye.